It's the morning right now and I just got back from Trader Joe's. I had to buy this bag because I should have brought a bag out, but I didn't. Oh wait, did I say Trader Joe's? I went to Whole Foods. I got chopped kale, had to get bananas, got some lemons, blackberries, I got some strawberries, had to get tomatoes, mushrooms, got these flour tortillas, and then I had to get oat milk to make my matcha. Avocados like do not look ripe. I don't know what it is. It's just something is like weird. So I'm eating now and I have my beautiful matcha. I definitely did not make this right. This matcha tastes really healthy. And my lovely food. I'm in Jersey right now and I just looked out my window and there was a cleaning guy. Gym, I walked and then I went to Whole Foods. Today I'm probably just gonna clean the place, my sister's place, and I have a meeting at 1 and that's pretty much it. Oh my god, look. Okay, this is what my lashes turned out like. This is the first time my lashes actually turned out successful and I think it's actually so good. And I feel like the only thing is I thought they were gonna be a little more like a little shorter, but they're longer than I thought. And I feel like it doesn't look like as natural, but I still think it looks pretty good. I didn't record much while I was doing it because I was scared that I was gonna mess up, but I think it actually turned out really good. Okay, I'm packing up to go down and there's like a lobby down to like do work, so I'm packing my bag. I have my headphone, my iPad. So I just ended up switching into another random shirt. And I don't know why my sister has this, Yonsei University. It's a university in Korea. And I braided my hair and I got matcha, or I'm bringing matcha that I made. Other room and it's so nice. It's like a little meeting room and look at the view. Because I don't like the setup of this, so I'm gonna move this sofa here and then probably like wipe this or something. I'm making dinner right now and I have no idea what to make, so I'm just, even though I literally went to the grocery store today, I don't have like any meat or anything, so I'm just gonna make quesadillas, like tiny quesadillas, I guess. And it's so sad that I don't have meat though. I'm gonna make dinner really quick.